Sharon,
Yeah?
where are the birds?
Gone.
Oh.
We scared them away.
Let's go look for some. Okay.
Wait, no, how? Yeah, I know. This is very secretive.
It appears that there are no birds.
No.
I see one.
Zoom in. I'll zoom in.
Let's run.
Okay. It looks like it's the bird that will attack, but we don't know that.
Oh, Sarah should.
Okay, this is Sarah. Slowly moving in. She looks a bit scared. Go, Sarah, chase it! I don't think it likes her. She's got some shells for protection. Okay, that was a disaster!
It's gonna get you!
There we go! Babe, what's right?
That was intense. Ready?
Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, here we have Sharon, slowly moving in on the hunt. As she moves closer, the bird moves. She's going in! She's going! Oh my god! But it doesn't appear that the bird likes her. Wonder why. Oh, given up. Okay.
Well, we're not having much luck on the whole bird thing down here.
So we're moving high up.
To the sand dune.
Yeah.
See if we can get some secret lives of birds.
Some bird related fun.
Yes.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
No, it's me, Sharon.
Find the bird.
If you look really closely, there's a bird in there somewhere. I'll just zoom, see if it gives you a better look.
Do you want to
Can
point
you see it? It's there somewhere. Somewhere there. No one
Oh,
there.
wait, behind the bush there.
Oh, really? At that little area. You know? Yeah. And
You're not really good at this.
No.
We're newbies.
Yeah. If you listen really closely though, you can kind of hear them. If the waves stop. Can you hear it? Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Stuff.
Okay. So instead of the birds coming like us going to the birds, we're gonna try like something a little bit different. We're gonna try call the birds to us with some pretty groovy bird calls, okay? So we're gonna try seagull.
They're not coming. They're not coming.
What else?
Oh, let's try a more attractive bird call. Like something that you didn't just do.
Okay. What about this? Coo!
Yep.
I think they're coming.
That was really sexy.
Oh, thank
Just
you.
give them some time to.
Absorb the sexiness.
Yeah. I mean, if they don't come, it's probably because they're intimidated.
Yeah, by the sexiness.
But I mean, yeah.
Keep dreaming. Yeah, I don't think they're coming.
It's so deserted up here. I think we can find more life, like
Down where we were. What about in the ocean? The ocean!
let's zoom in on those little kids.
Okay.
Where are they?
They could be like pedo.
This is the first bird that we've actually seen. It's a seagull. Fly like a bird! Woo! Yeah! Go little seagull!
Okay.
Oh, it's good to find. It's good to see that we're like not totally retarded at this. Recording?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we didn't have much luck with the whole bird hunting thing.
Yeah, I mean 3 birds and one of them you couldn't even see. Yeah, so I'm gonna have some different fun, some unbird related stuff. We're going sand dune jumping. Yeah.
Should I go?
Yeah, go. Okay. Better take that.
Yeah, I'm taking it! Just jump! Well, this is the end of our fabulous adventure.
That we failed at just a wee bit. Yeah.
Very wee bit.
We're pretty good for like
Newbies.
Yeah.
A special thanks to your attention. true.
And Waipu.
When you can pee.